Trefnydd. I'd be grateful if we could have a statement from the Cabinet Secretary for Health and Social Care regarding end-of-life care here in Wales. Yesterday, Marie Curie made it clear in the press that some people in Wales are isolated, living in pain and struggling to make ends meet due to gaps in end-of-life care. This is not acceptable, Trefnydd, and it's clear that something has to change. Now, I've also been working with Together for Short Lives on the children's hospice providers Tŷ Gobaith and Tŷ Gobaith, and I know there are challenges in the children's hospice sector too. The sector needs fair and sustainable funding, and there are workforce shortages that also need to be addressed. So, Trefnydd, these services are of critical importance, so we must ensure that good palliative care is accessible to anyone who actually needs it. Therefore, I'd be grateful if we could have an up-to-date statement from the Welsh Government detailing how it's investing in end-of-life care and how it's helping providers so that they are able to continue to supporting people with life-limiting conditions across Wales. Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davies. And indeed, I think many of us might have heard the report about the particular case that was raised in your in West Wales about end-of-life care, where, of course, the Welsh Government invests a great deal in end-of-life care, but also this is about the whole system, isn't it, in terms of making space available, not just in terms of hospital capacity, but also in our care homes. And thank you for also referencing Tŷ Gobaith and all the work of our hospices. But it is something where it is important to hear from patients, learn from carers, and then feedback so that health boards obviously can also address these issues as they're raised.